promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am doing something very different, something that I don't usually do. On my YouTube channel, I do a lot of hair tutorials because I actually do make hair for customers, and that is what I do. I love to make hair for customers and I always recommend the best hair extensions. So if you are interested, check my channel out to have a look. Today I'm doing something really different. I love to cook. I love to cook different types of food, and today's video is called Cook With Me. We will be cooking cheesy Alfredo with jumbo prawns. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch how I make my cheesy Alfredo with jumbo prawn. Do not forget to like and share, and I'll see you viewers very soon once the meal is cooked and you can come and taste with me. So let's get straight to guys, I will be using the Blue Dragon medium egg noodle. This is what I'll be using for my Alfredo as pasta. I've never tried egg noodle, but I'm excited to give it a go. I will be seasoning my prawns, jumbo prawns, with a bit of Cajun spice, black pepper, some fresh lemon juice, and aromats. In order to stir fry your prawns, you need all these spices to basically marinate your prawns for about 30 minutes. Let the lemon juice soak into the prawn. Alfredo. Sauce, and I'll be using Clover Simply made with buttermilk. So if you've got butter at home, margarine, can have a good use of those. We've got some spam, chopped onions and garlic, fresh garlic. So viewers, we'll be adding our garlic first. Chopped onions. Then we can add our spam. Viewers, at this minute you can choose to add white wine, dry and crisp. It just gives it a very unique flavor. I love white wine. It gives you brilliant flavor and taste. I'll add cultured buttermilk, ideal for cooking, and this is low fat. And I'll add my delicious creamy taste double cream. with ham and jumbo cane prawn is boiling. Adding some mature cheddar cheese to it. And this is some extra British mature cheese. And this is how our egg noodles looks like. So at this point I have some parsley, and this is fresh melt taste, and these are not fresh parsleys, they are dried parsley. You take your thumbnail and voila. Now that the food is done, voila, it's time for mukbang. Viewers, I'm not even kidding. I have a feeling this is the first time trying Alfredo. Never have I ever tried it, and I think Bae is gonna make me add it to the menu. Really low battery, so in case the camera cuts without me finishing my mukbang, these are the prawns. So yummy. It's the same from where I come from, western part of Africa, by the way. Cooking without tasting is just halfway through. I did a pretty damn job. This is not a cooking channel, but this is something I want to introduce to my YouTube since it's a lifestyle channel. So I love hair, anything to do with hair extensions, making wigs. I love to cook, so sometimes if I'm cooking something which is very unique or something that I've never tried before, I would love to come on camera and show it. I'm really happy I tried this food, and Bae is going to be impressed. That's the most important part. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video. If you'd like to see more of these videos, do like this videos and share these videos and let me know you'd like to see videos like this, and I'll be making them for you. So have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay blessed, and of course you cannot finish without drinking water.